Hey now, Mike Shamon here. And if you want to know how to remove all comments in WordPress at one time, this is how you do it. So what you want to do is you want to go to your dashboard or the back end of WordPress. Okay, you want to roll over your tools button. And now if you don't see this stuff, it's okay because this is my site and it has some extra things on it. But there should be this one delete comments. And if you don't see this, I'm going to tell you where to get it in just a minute. Okay, so you want to scroll over and you want to go to delete comments. And once you hit that, it'll load this page. And now I want to show you my blog to show you I have over 42,000 posts on my comments, okay? And I need to, you see 4,100 approved posts and then 97 spam trash, okay? So I want to delete all those. So what you want to do is you come back here to where it says all comments, okay? Now it gives you options of all comments, moderation, approved, in spam, or trash. So if you only want to remove the spam, you can do the spam, you can do the trash, and then it'll leave all the other ones there. I'm just going to do all comments and I'm just going to go to delete now. All right. And then it will not be recovered. Okay. It's been deleted. Boom. Let's go back to my comments page right here. I'm just going to go to refresh. I just refreshed my page and let's see, no comments found. Okay. All my comments have been deleted. It was that fast. So what I'm doing, I'm using this delete all comments of WordPress plugin. You can get it. It's a free plugin. It's going to be under tools and delete comments. Just click that button and you'll go right to that page here. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this tutorial. Go ahead, check out my other tutorials and I'll see you on the other side.